students, we are beginning with determiners. Let us start and see what exactly are the determiners. Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. Determiners tell us that what work the noun is doing, what exactly the noun wants to say, what is the work of a noun. Just see, they all come at the beginning of the noun phrase. Noun phrase is a group of words with a noun as its main part. What is a noun phrase? A sentence which has a noun as its main part. And the determiners always come in the beginning of the noun phrase. And we cannot use more than one determiner in the same sentence, same noun phrase. Is that clear? What are the examples of the noun phrase? This, my pen, this ceremony, a Coca-Cola can, means a word, a phrase which has a noun in it is called the noun phrase. There are 8 types of determiners. Let's see which are they. Articles, in which you have definite and indefinite article. Demonstratives, quantifiers, possessives, numbers, both cardinal and ordinal, distributives or indefinite pronouns, and question words or relative pronouns. We'll study them in detail. Let's do it. Articles, the definite and the indefinite article. Articles are a, an, and the. A and an are indefinite articles which signify non-specific thing, which tell us that the particular, it's not a particular or a specific thing, which also signifies a singular number. The definite article the signifies a specific, a particular thing. For example, the visitors are coming. Here we are telling about a specific visitors, some particular visitors whom we know. The visitors are coming. A box of chocolate was eaten by Lance. We are referring to a box of chocolate which is not specified, which is not a particular box. Likewise, an is used before a vowel. An umbrella. Kindly take an umbrella as it might rain. So these are the articles. Demonstratives. What are demonstratives? The things which show who or what is being referred to. Who or what is being referred to. Which are these words? Singular, this and that. Plural, these and those. These are demonstratives which show us about who or what is being referred to. For example, this pair of shoes is mine. It demonstrates this pair of shoes. I think that girl is their leader. We are telling about a specific, demonstrating a specific girl. Now you have quantifiers. As the word itself tells us that it symbolizes the quantity. It tells us about the quantity. So, it is used with a noun to show the amount of something, to show the quantity of something. We have many quantifiers to be used. Few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little, much, many. A few, the few, and few. What is the difference between these? See, these few, much, most, some, any, more. And little, many, a lot of, other, enough, such. You have countables and uncountables. These things are categorized in countables and uncountables. Few is countable while little is uncountable. Both work as the same. Few means to some extent. A few means specific amount. A few means which is not specific, sorry, and the few means a specific amount. Likewise, little, uncountable amount. The little, specific amount. A little, not so specific. Much and many, countable and uncountable. Most, a lot of. Some, other, any, enough, more, and such. These are the examples of quantifiers. Next, you have such examples. Just see. Some students are not in their proper uniform. Most student teachers are staying at the library. Then we have possessives. Possessives, a form of a word that shows that something or someone belongs to someone. It shows the belongingness. It shows the possessiveness, belongingness. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are possessives and they come under determiners. For example, my brother John will be celebrating his birthday tomorrow. I will show you our new pet. In both these sentences, belongingness, possessiveness is shown. My brother refers to my own brother. Our new pet refers to the belongingness of the pet. Next, you have cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are used in simple counting and shows quantity, one which can be counted. 1, 10, 30, 40, 2, 9. 2 dogs are barking outside. 30 Laotian leaders attended this seminar. Ordinal numbers are used to show the position of someone or something in series. First, last, 50, 20. Ordinal numbers show the position of something or someone in a series. Like, I stood first in my class. Here the example is given. Luffy defeated the first commander in Blackbeard pirates. Now you have distributives. Distributives are a word referring singly without exception to the member of a group. It refers to the member of a group. Both, half, either, neither, each, every, all. These are the mark of distributions. That's why they are called distributives. The sweets were distributed between both the brothers. Right? Each student got a pair of gloves. More examples are, every human being is unique. All grade 7 students are industrious. Question words or relative pronouns. Which are they? All WH family words. Whose, which, what, whatever. Whose, which, what, whatever. For example, Kit is the guy whose mother is the famous singer. He does not know what he is saying. Wherever the WH word would be there, it would be an example of a determiner or relative pronoun. That's all for the determiners. Hope you have understood what exactly are the determinants. It would be specified more while you would do the exercises which would be given to you. Thank you.